Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video. The Jamaican guide here. Alright, so this morning I was sitting in my house, minding my own business, sitting around my computer, around making a video for you guys, thinking about the next video, putting some things together for you guys when I heard this massive crash out at the main road. So I went outside and I had to jump on my little bicycle that I had because I see everyone running towards the main road. So after reaching up there, I realized that it was a massive accident. Right now, in the holiday, yeah, Toyota Axio versus a Toyota probox, and this is the result. Probox fold up the front part and the axio mash up sideways and frontways, even the windscreen. The driver that was driving the Toyota Axio went through the windscreen, and let's hope it not, but to how she look, her condition doesn't look really good. Believe me, driver of the probox, I don't really want to say much because you know YouTube have them policy thing, but the driver of the probox, trust me, mash up. But anyhow, we could go take a look. Bring on and go show you what time it is. Yeah. Alright, watch what go on here now. Wicked accident in a Portmore right now. They have 5 minutes yet. Pre the probox, yeah. Bombard star. Fold up. Thing leak out. I tell you, airbag fly. Bumper. Be a shambles in the road. Even want to show nobody face, you know. See it here? How would this be? An axio, loud clap, the fast car. Lick out the tree clean. Watch it, the tree slap away. Clean out of the ground, you know, man. Squaddy on the scene right away, no delay. Squaddy on the scene right away, no delay, no itching. Right at Waterford. Well, I don't even know you know, nice me here. Be a nice me here and yeah, woman I say this a girl, it a girl mash up. People are holiday. So the fireman them there, you know? Yeah, the fire truck is here. So man them I say that axio yeah come from out of the lane there. For go cross over there, so for go down. And a taxi man I come from down the road down there, so and I see that police car there. Yeah, taxi man I come from down there, so and she I come from round there, so. And the taxi man put her right here, so she come out through the windscreen on her face. Mash up, I have to run with her to the hospital. So the probox there, after the taxi, we put her here, so. Yeah, so him the up there, so. Fire truck on the scene. pow up on the scene and a lot of bystanders up on the scene. Is what I say. Yeah. Even I made up on the scene too. We're out here. See, if you're looking at the side, you see the lick where and the probox man lick her, like she drive out. So when she drive out of the lane, like she almost come out of the road. So him touch her back, you know. The man squatted them out here. Squad here say nobody enough to touch nothing, you know? Yeah, the fireman them up on the scene. Fortunately, nothing up on fire. Fireman them ready for work. Big up Jamaica Fire Brigade every time, you know? Yeah, big up the police force. No. Squad here sort out him thing and do him work. Take down him thing them when fair take down, you know? Yeah. Yeah, so right. Alright people, so that was what really transpired this morning. And that's what I say, yeah, so I just hopes that both parties that were driving the vehicle are okay. I hope they both live to tell the tale. You understand what I say? People, I beg you, and it's another holiday season here. Please, extreme caution, people. You understand what I say? Yeah, take time on the road. Nobody with the careless thing, don't drink and drive and all these things. You understand what I say? Yeah, hope you guys like the video. If you did like the video, please give it a like. Yeah, subscribe to the channel for more great new future content. So until next time, Jamaican Guide out.